In this video, I show you how to fix unsupported file type problem when you want to open PDF from WhatsApp or Google Chrome. Then you can get unsupported file type problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Service. Tap on Google Play Service. Scroll down. Tap on Open by Default. Tap on Clear Default Preference. Now open WhatsApp. Open PDF. You can see that the unsupported file type problem has gone, but you cannot open PDF from directly WhatsApp because of it's a global issue. Every user get this error. In this meantime, you can open PDF from this way. Long press on it, then tap on three dot, then tap on share, and tap on files by Google. Wait for loading the PDF, then tap on from here. Now you can see that unsupported file type problem solved.